Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. It's a months na! Yay! For our today's video sa ating latest vlog tungkol sa trendy topics on good and bad news. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto ko mag-likes, shares, comments, and views at aabutin ng 500 subscribers. It's supported natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog is 280, episode 280, entitled Trending Good and Bad News. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin para natin about highlights on trending sports and showbiz news. Okay, simulan natin. Una muna natin sa bad news or yung sad news. Last Friday, natatapos na ang programang Heights 3, The Final Destination with Skylove Cruz. We now rest in peace after killed by Tori Garcia or Tori Soler sa gunshot na sa likod ng katawan. While namatay yung character ni Dimples Romana na si Tori Soler na kill by the police na pampan shock na gunshot. Kaya don't be mad kahit na heaven na po lahat. No. That's heaven for Skylove Cruz. We now rest in peace. For Luna Amor Cruz, makakasama ni Sky sa heaven. We love you so much. And alagaan pa rin kay Tanya and new husband ni Tanya, yung si Kiat Cipriano, pero sa High Street na. Right after High Street, unang manan natin yung kay Gino Rosé na manungkot dahil wala na po si Skylove Cruz sa character ni Angela Brillantes. Kasi 1 year after sa birth anniversary ni Skylove Cruz. While Archie and Rocky is now married with Riley, child named Argus. Si Z ay relasyon ng kapwa babae. Sila po sa ay kinasal na sa Amerika kasi same-sex marriage wedding sa Amerika. Pero di pinayagan dito sa Pilipinas. Anything. Yung ibang sila Kenji at Sanya ay friends na siya, while new relationship for Kenji ay kapwa lalaki at si Sanya ay may pag-ibig na lalaki. Kaya thank you so much, and now sign off sa cast ng Senior High Street. We love you and thank you Dreamscape. Thank you ABS-CBN Studio. Napunta tayo sa good news. Ito na yung good news sa mga manonood ng music videos at sa MTV that NSYNC now nominees for Group of the Year sa ating MTV BMA, along with Coldplay, Imagine Dragons, New Jeans, Tomorrow X Together, and 21 Pilots. Paano babuto sa ating BMA's Group of the Year? Go to vote at mtv.com+. Pero may stay tuned ka pa. Tapos, yung Instagram stories voting via BMA's. Kasi, via MTV at BMA's Instagram. A-announce kung kailan ang voting from September, I think sa 3 hanggang matatapos ang ating BMA's September 10. Diba? September 10 matapos ang ating voting for Group of the Year. Good luck, NSYNC! We love you so much, Justin, JC, Lance, Joey, and Chris. And another good news, the PBL Finals tomorrow na po! Yay! September 2 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum featuring the Creamline Cool Smashers and the Akari Chargers. Malalaman natin anong team kaya matcha-champ sa ating gold match bukas ng gabi sa Smart Araneta Coliseum via One Sports Plus, RPTV, and Pilipinas Live. Good luck sa team ni na Eliza Valdez. Kaya good luck na lang bukas sa Araneta Coliseum. Maraming salamat. I hope to see you next vlog. Happy Burma! So, see you on the channel. Bye! God bless!